Imagine the whole world is focused on the EV race. Everyone is running after Tesla, and then one company quietly makes a move that changes the entire game. While other companies are stuck pursuing a purely electric future, Toyota has thought of something that even Elon Musk might not have planned. And this is not just a rumor. Toyota's new strategy is finally coming to the forefront. It's not just about EVs, and it's not just about hybrids either. It's a dangerous and powerful combination of both that could send shockwaves through the auto industry. Imagine hybrid and full EV vehicles being built on the same platform, with the same design, the same system, and two different powertrains. A flexible empire. This is a masterstroke that will not only reduce production costs, but also deal a direct blow to pure EV companies like Tesla. When you're offering the benefits of both hybrid and EV technology, customers will naturally be drawn to that brand. The impact won't just be on the market, it could affect Elon Musk's brand image, Tesla's production capacity, and the entire trajectory of the EV future. And if this move succeeds, it could mark the first time that Tesla faces real competition, competition unlike anything it's seen before. So how exactly did Toyota do this? How will this bold move reshape the EV market? And why might Elon Musk be worried? You'll find all the answers in this video. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay ahead with the latest and most amazing updates on technology. Before we explore Toyota's breakthrough, let's understand the current reality of EVs. Today, the word EV evokes a futuristic image. No petrol or diesel, no engine noise, no pollution, and on top of that, being cost-effective. It sounds perfect, but the truth is, the EV world isn't fully ready yet. And that's exactly why a smart company like Toyota hasn't fully jumped into the EV game. The first and biggest issue is charging infrastructure. Think about it. Petrol pumps are everywhere. But EV charging stations? They're available in some cities, yes. But in small towns and villages, driving an EV is still just a dream. Toyota understands this gap. Until a fast charging network reaches every corner, a purely electric future simply isn't practical for everyone. The second issue is battery limitations and charging time. Even though companies like Tesla have superchargers, the fact remains that charging still takes a significant amount of time. For long-distance journeys, stopping to charge and waiting can be frustrating. Toyota knows that not everyone has that kind of patience, especially when petrol cars can be filled in just 2 minutes. Third, there's the issue of battery lifespan and cost. EV batteries are expensive, and their lifespan is limited. If something goes wrong, replacing the battery can cost a fortune. Toyota wants to ensure that when it does fully enter the EV space, it introduces technology that overcomes these flaws. The fourth and often hidden problem is environmental. People think EVs are eco-friendly, but the process of extracting and recycling materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel is highly damaging to the environment. And if EVs aren't disposed of properly, they become a new source of pollution. Toyota is aware of this environmental burden and isn't rushing to launch EVs just to follow a trend. Now let's talk about Tesla, the so-called king of EVs. In truth, Tesla has faced all these same problems. Their vehicles are expensive, production delays are frequent, battery safety has raised concerns. Tesla has faced backlash in many countries because the ground reality is often much harsher than the dreamy image of EVs. No matter how hard Elon Musk has tried, some problems with EVs still haven't been fully resolved. This is where Toyota's different way of thinking comes into play. Unlike others, Toyota doesn't blindly chase trends. When it introduces a technology, it does so after thorough research and real-world testing. That's why Toyota focused on hybrid cars, vehicles that offer EV-like efficiency while still having the safety net of petrol. It's for people who want the benefits of EVs without the risks and inconvenience. Now, Toyota's latest strategy, a hybrid and EV combo, has been developed with all these flaws in mind. It offers the advantages of EVs with the reliability of hybrids. It's a balanced solution where the customer doesn't have to worry about charging, range, or battery life. And if solid-state battery technology is included in this plan, then Toyota will be 2 steps ahead of a purely electric future. Toyota's new move is a bold plan designed to shake up the EV market. This isn't just a minor update, it's a strategic shift that has forced even a giant like Tesla to rethink its direction. While other companies are blindly racing toward an EV-only future, Toyota has chosen a smarter, more realistic path. Understanding the real needs of the market, Toyota is now introducing a combination of hybrid and electric vehicle (EV) technologies that could transform the entire automotive industry. This innovative approach is neither fully reliant on petrol nor entirely battery-powered, but instead strikes a balance between the two, making it not only practical but also future-proof. Toyota has named this approach the multi-pathway strategy, meaning it can utilize multiple technologies on the same vehicle platform: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and pure EV, all offered in different versions of the same model. Imagine a car available in both hybrid and fully electric versions, sharing the same design. For customers, this means the freedom to choose the technology that best suits their needs and lifestyle. For Toyota, the advantage lies in manufacturing efficiency. There's no need to build new factories or infrastructure. Vehicles with different powertrains can be produced on the same assembly line. This is where pure EV companies like Tesla may fall behind, as their infrastructure is built solely for EVs and lacks such flexibility. Toyota recognizes that many customers still have concerns about EVs: limited charging infrastructure, battery lifespan, range anxiety on long-distance travel, and overall cost. That's why they are offering a solution for customers who are hesitant to fully commit to EVs. Hybrid vehicles provide peace of mind by allowing users to fall back on petrol if charging stations are unavailable. Moreover, Toyota isn't just offering a hybrid EV combination, it is preparing for the future by developing solid-state batteries. These next-generation batteries promise to be safer, charge faster, and last longer than today's lithium-ion batteries. Once solid-state technology is integrated into Toyota's hybrid and EV platforms, the company is expected to gain a significant advantage. Toyota's thinking is fundamentally different because it focuses on real-world needs rather than fleeting trends. It understands that not every country or region is ready for full EV adoption. Some areas lack stable electricity supplies, others have no charging infrastructure, and many consumers are still skeptical about EV reliability. In such circumstances, offering both hybrid and EV options gives Toyota broader market appeal and sets it apart from high-end, EV-only manufacturers like Tesla. Another key strength is Toyota's unmatched capability in mass production. As one of the world's largest car manufacturers, Toyota doesn't roll out new strategies slowly, it implements them at scale. So when it launches its hybrid plus EV plan, we can expect to see hundreds of thousands of such vehicles on the roads in the coming years. This strategy positions Toyota to lead the global automotive transition,